Mastering English, understanding, finishing up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, finishing up. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really polish your English skills. So, let's dive in. Finishing up is a phrasal verb that has a simple yet broad meaning. It essentially means to complete the last part of something. This could be a task, an activity, or anything that has a process or duration. It's often used when someone is nearing the end of what they are doing. For instance, if you're working on a project and you're almost done, you can say, "I'm just finishing up my project." In work and study, at work, you might hear, "I'm finishing up the report, and then I can send it to you." In a study group, a student might say, "I'm finishing up my part of the research tonight." In everyday life, while cooking, one might say, "I'm finishing up dinner, it will be ready in 10 minutes." At a coffee shop, a friend might tell you, "I'm just finishing up my coffee, and then we can leave." Don't confuse it with finishing alone. Finishing is more general, while finishing up implies you are at the very end of the activity. Context matters. Saying, "I'm finishing up," in a situation where you've barely started can be misleading. Let's practice with a few examples. How would you use finishing up in these scenarios? 1. You're at the gym and about to complete your workout. 2. You are wrapping up a phone call with a friend. And that's a wrap on finishing up. I hope this video helped clarify how and when to use this phrase. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using finishing up in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.